Hi friends, this is a quick unboxing and review on AC DELCO Starter. Part number is 3371137 for Honda CRVs from 2002 to 2006 and Acura RSX from 2002 to 2006. This just came in a few days ago from Rock Auto. Brand new AC DELCO Starter. We're going to do a quick review and unboxing. Here we go. We're going to unbox this. This is AC DELCO Professional. This is their higher end lineup. Over here in a box we have the AC DELCO. It says manufactured for AC DELCO, so most likely they subcontracted this outside. It was probably subcontracted to a very good company that makes starters and electrical parts. It's quite heavy, seems to be well built, and it probably will have to meet standards of AC DELCO and GM and non-GM parts. This is where electrical connector is put. Everything seems to be very new. This is where you can bolt on the starter here as well as here. Alright, let's talk about its main features. Alright, it says here manufactured for AC DELCO. It says Flint, Michigan. The company could be based there or made in USA. Not entirely sure. But it says right here AC DELCO. Country of origin is from China, so I'm assuming that it's made in China. So the main features include manufactured under the ISO standards, all new components, engineering enhancements. It's made originally designed for proper fit and function. It's computer tested for solenoid contact, recoil balance, and pull strength. At the moment, there are several big companies around the market for starters. Some are Remy, Bosch, Denso, and AC DELCO, and others. I'll tell you why I went with the AC DELCO. In terms of pricing, I called Lordco and also went to Canadian Tire. I got quoted for Remy for $219. It was a reman. If something is remanufactured, it means it's used, but all the components that were worn were replaced, checked, and tested, and will be equivalent to brand new. I also got quoted for another Remy at Lordco, which costs over $200, as well as lesser name brands, and for a Denso, which was $350 for a reman build. Alright guys, we're gonna tell you the pros and cons for this. It's new, it's cheaper than Honda OEM parts or Honda genuine parts, as well as other well-known brands such as Bosch, OEM-like design, owned by GM, and everything was new. So in the future, you have less chances of repairing it, especially for Honda. You gotta go and remove a lot of stuff and parts. So we may as well go with something new that you know that might last a bit longer. For cons, it's not Japanese or OEM, and you don't really know exactly where it's made, and the manufacturer of this was probably subcontracted out for GM. Alright guys, let's take a look at Rock Auto and AC DELCO website. Hi guys, I'm at Rock Auto. As I said, there's many other brands here. There's Ultra Power for $115. There was BBB Industries for $149. There's Remy for $176, and then there's AC DELCO $192. Comparing to what I got quoted, $192 for something brand new, which wasn't reman at Canadian Tire. I thought this was a good choice. It's AC DELCO, well-known name brand for GM and non-GM vehicles. It has the original design, so it's just going to fit seamlessly in there. I could have gone for Remy for a little bit cheaper with an upgraded design. I wanted to make sure everything would fit properly. I looked at Ultra Power, the reviews, it didn't look the best. So I was a bit hesitant, and I was also going with the logic that it's expensive for a reason. So I wanted to go with the name brand that I know. There are remans here, and yeah, sure, you'll get a bit of a discount when you return your old part back and you get your new part. So basically it'll be cheaper. However, I was thinking in the logic that if I'm gonna take something off and it's gonna take a long time and it'll take a lot of work to remove, I may as well put something brand new and have the peace of mind that everything else is new, rather than putting a reman and getting a possible issue. Although they've changed all the worn out parts and tested everything, I just wanted the peace of mind of something brand new. Although there was Denso for 158, you spend 330 and they give you $173 of refund if they return your old one. And it is a Denso. However, I just wasn't comfortable with something that's reman. For starters, maybe for alternators, yeah. If maybe the Denso was $90 and it was reman, maybe I would have gone, because I know Denso, they're made in Japan, they're well built. Same with Bosch, I like their starters, but maybe for the price, I didn't think it was the best choice for it, where you could go for something brand new and you can get a new one for 176 for a Remy, or an AC Delco for $192, or you can go for BB Industries, understanding that Bosch and Denso, which are good brands, but they're only remanufactured, and the price point didn't convince me. Maybe if it was the same price as Remy and AC Delco, maybe I would have, but if you can get something brand new for the same price, why not, right? Alright guys, I'm here at the AC Delco website. One major reason why I chose AC Delco was it was founded over 100 years ago. It says right here, GM genuine parts and AC Delco original equipment are the true OE parts installed during production or validated by General Motors for GM vehicles. If you drive a Chevrolet, Buick, GM, Cadillac, or even most non-GM vehicles, we have the parts for your specific needs. So because AC Delco is the main parts that are put into GM vehicles or are OE for GM, this is the reason why I chose them. Alright guys, please follow up for the next video on installing a starter. We're going to be specifically using this AC Delco. Please like and subscribe.